hats off to you. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
A little bit foamy. It's warm too. So now grab me another one. Go take.
I'm not an asshole to know that.
Oh Christ, that one felt great.
You should be entertaining her.
I still. Oh, dude, you spawn. That's sexy. I want to do you right now. Oh, that felt fucking marvelous. Halfway there. Wow. What he said. Another.
One down. Number two. It's all on my desk.
Myself.
So how about this shit worked? Wow. Wow. Lord. Well, try another. Now that is snot beer. All gone.
Yes.
Get the vault.
Excuse me.
My stomach is killing me.